Okay, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home and enjoy your studies. Your online studies. Okay, do your homework, do your class work. All of you. Okay, very nice. So now which period is going on? Which subject is going on? EVS subject. Okay, in EVS subject we have learned indoor games. Indoor games means those games are playing inside your home. But now we will learn about outdoor games. Outdoor games means those games are playing outside your home. Okay, nowadays you don't go outside and don't play outdoor games. Only play indoor games. But have learned also in your syllabus outdoor games is also. So today we will discuss about outdoor games. Discuss and write also. Okay, write in your EVS notebook. So take out first your EVS notebook. Okay, right now take out your EVS notebook and write down the heading outdoor games. Write outdoor OUTDOOR. Okay, outdoor games. Write down the heading outdoor games. What is the spelling of games? GAMES. Full stop. Outdoor games. Write down the heading outdoor games. Now, what is outdoor games first? What is outdoor games? Outdoor games, those are play outside your home. Okay, जो हम लोग बाहर games, जो बाहर खेलने वाले games होते हैं, that is called outdoor games. उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Outdoor games, जो हम घर के बाहर खेलते हैं, in playground. Okay, outside your home. So, on number 1. First, write down the heading outdoor games. Okay. On number 1, you make the picture of bat and ball. So, what is the name of the game? What is the name of the game? Cricket. Very nice. Now, what is the spelling of cricket? Look at the board. Write down CRICKET or T. Cricket. 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 The picture of the game is cricket. Bat and ball. Okay. Bat and ball. CRICKET. Cricket. You play cricket? Very good. So the name of the game is cricket. Now how to write? You write full page. So once again you write the spelling of cricket. Yes, like this. You write down the spelling of cricket. What is the spelling of cricket? Yes, cricket. 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 Okay, once again write down what is the spelling of cricket. Say and write. Okay, say and write. C-R-I. Okay, write the line concept also. Okay, C in 3 line, R in 2 line, I in 2 line, K, E and T. Cricket. C-R-I. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Okay. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Okay. Now once again write the spelling of cricket. What is the spelling of cricket? Yes, repeat after me. C-R-I. Right? C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Okay, write fast, fast. Write the spelling of cricket. Full page. Okay, down, write full page. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Okay. Write down cricket. Okay, now next is on number 2. Make the picture of next day. The game is okay, tell me. The name of the game is hockey. Now what is the spelling of hockey? Yes, write H O C K E Y. Hockey. H O C K E Y. Hockey. Okay, your visible spelling of hockey. H O C K E Y. Hockey. Now how to write? Write full page. Okay, full page you write the spelling of hockey. Right? H O C K E Y. Hockey. One more time. Write the spelling of hockey. H O C K E Y. Hockey is also outdoor games. Why? Because hockey is playing outside your home. हम घर के बाहर खेलेंगे ना हॉकी को. So that's why hockey is a outdoor game. Cricket is a outdoor game. Cricket भी हम कहाँ खेलते हैं? घर के बाहर. In big playground. Okay. Don't play inside your home. Okay. Cricket don't play inside your home. हम घर के अंदर क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते. हम कहाँ खेलते हैं क्रिकेट? घर के बाहर. So cricket and hockey is our outdoor game. So one more time, write the spelling of hockey. H O C K E Y. Hockey. So write down cricket and hockey in your EVS notebook and write full page. Okay, write full page. First, you make the picture of the game and then write the name of the game. H O C K E Y. Okay, hockey. And cricket. C R I for write two games. So write fast. Okay, now on number 3, the picture of the game is, okay, you make one circle. Write all two spellings full page. After that you make the picture of football. Okay, this is a football. So after write two games you make the picture of football. Okay, so this is our football. Football is also a outdoor game. Okay, so write the spelling of football. First you write F double O T, foot. B A double N, football. Okay, which game is this? Football. Now after this you write the spelling of football. Write fast. And one more time write the spelling of football. F double O T B A double L, football. Football is also a outdoor games because footballs we have play outside your home. That's why football is outdoor game. One more time, write the spelling of football. First you write F double O T B A double L, football. Okay, one more time write the spelling of football. Yes, right now F double O T B A double L, football. So you write also a full page. Write the spelling of football, full page. Full page you write the spelling of football, full page you write the spelling of cricket, and full page you write the spelling of hockey. After this we will revise all the spelling. Okay, so write fast. Write the spelling of football, full page. your work. So write fast. Spelling of cricket, spelling of hockey and spelling of football. Write fast the spelling, all the spellings. After this we will revise all the spelling. Okay, so you repeat after me all the spellings. Okay, right? Complete. Football. Okay. Now, on number 1, which game is this? Figure out. What is the spelling of cricket? C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Okay, you say in the pause mode. Okay, first you say C-R-I, stop, C-K-E-T. Okay. Now, once again, C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. The game is cricket. Cricket is outdoor game. Once again, C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. This is cricket and cricket is a outdoor game. Once again, C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket is outdoor game. This is cricket. When on your paper, on your worksheet, you have seen this type of picture, so you just say this is cricket game. Okay, you say this is cricket game and cricket is outdoor game. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. And what is the spelling of cricket? So you say C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Okay, after cricket, on next, hockey. Okay, now how to spell hockey? How to learn the spelling of hockey? H-O-C, stop, K-E-Y, hockey. Now you are small, so you say in stop mode. Okay, आप रुक के बोल सकते हो, आप इस छोटे बच्चे हो, so you say H-O-C-K-E-Y. आपके जो बिग ब्रदर और बिग सिस्टर है वो एक साथ बोलेंगे H-O-C-K-E-Y, बट आप कैसे बोलोगे? H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. Hockey is outdoor game. H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. Hockey is outdoor game. Once again, H-O-C, repeat after me, K-E-Y, hockey. Hockey is outdoor game. Once again, H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey is outdoor game. Okay, so all are understand hockey is outdoor game. And when the picture is this, okay, जहाँ भी आपको ये पिक्चर होगी दिखेगी वर्कशीट पे, आपके एग्जाम पेपर पे, तो आपको क्या लिखना है? द स्पेलिंग ऑफ हॉकी. ओके, और अगर मैचिंग होगी तो आपको हॉकी को इससे मैच करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड ऑल ऑफ यू? सो दिस इज हॉकी. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फुटबॉल. फुटबॉल इज आउटडोर गेम. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ फुटबॉल? यस. Now F-O-O-T, stop, B-A-L-L, football. Football is outdoor game. Once again, F-O-O-T, B-A-L-L, football. Football is outdoor game. Once again, F-O-O-T, B-A-L-L, football. Football is a outdoor game. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L, football. Football is a outdoor game. So all the three are outdoor games. So you understand what is the picture of the game and what is the spelling of the game. Okay. So now you write all the three names of the game in your EVS notebook. So now your work. Let us revise the spelling. Okay. You revise the spelling and see the pictures of the games. Okay. And you matching and writing also the name of the game. So now your EVS period is over. Now we will meet in the